What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, my Nintendo portable radio on here from Animal Crossing was playing bubblegum KK. It said bubblegum KK, and so that's my proof. And it was really cool to hear that. And so whenever I just want to hear that, I don't go onto TikTok and listen to it, but I do just go onto my album in my Nintendo. And I kept pausing them. And so that was it. Bye, everybody. Oh, and if you're wondering how I'm lighting up this fort, I'm just using this flashlight. Oh, I have to turn it a certain way for it to light up. Bye. Hold on, wait. Okay.